Alright, folks, good evening. Here we are. Here we are so close to taking those highs, and yeah, no reason of being bearish now. You can see how how this week started. We went at the complete bottom of this weekly fair value gap and then completely going above. So it has made this fair value gap a complete invariant fair value gap, right? And now it's Tuesday. We are so close to be taking that highs now, and I'm really looking forward to be taking those highs. I'm not bearish for today. Finally, we are bullish. Yeah, let's see if we can find some good bias that aligns with our entry model to take those highs, and we'll surely take them. So as the DXY also kind of disrespected for now in the consequent encouragement, right? So yeah, I feel like we can still be bearish on the DXY even though we still have highs over here. But yeah, I want the highs on the Euro USD to be taken out first take uh before we do anything else further in DXY. Once the Euro XT takes the highs over here, which I don't think the DXY is gonna take these lows for now. I think it will just go over here, and then we're gonna have SMTs over here, and then we are gonna go above and maybe take those highs on the DXYs, and then maybe respect this gap or this fair value gap, and then start going lower later on, or maybe just take the buy sides again. I don't know. That's a complete future plan. So let's go to this day and try to find some, you know, long trades. Right, so we came here and we have this long expansion, right? I actually just cannot take some type of trade over here. Yeah, of course I want market to show us some kind of retracement, bro. From here to here, it is respecting this OTE level perfectly. So we are from this low to that high. This is a very significant expansion, right? Right, so we have lows over here, some liquidity, right? Well, I'll actually be wanting to market to show us retracement back to this fair value gap, and then market goes high and take those highs, because either way we cannot just take some type of trade like over here to here, right? Of course, that's not doable. There can be no trade without retracement, so we are gonna be waiting for the market to retrace. The London session opened over here. We went this much high, and now we are consolidating over here, right? And the target is just there. Yeah, well, I'll really be wanting these lows to be taken out, and the market to go back to the consequent encouragement of this weekly fair value gap, and or to the OT level from this low to that high, and then we'll be taking some long trades. Hopefully it works out. Let's see. So we are really gonna be waiting. I don't really want those highs to be taken up for now. I want the market to retrace. Can't just take right there. Take some sort of trade right there. Yeah, we are gonna be waiting for the retracement. So the OT level is between this, from the consequent encouragement to this quadrant. That's where I'll be expecting market to fall first. Tomorrow's Wednesdays. I feel like tomorrow the market should retrace, and then on Thursday we should see a good celebrate, manipulation from here to those highs, these highs. Eesh. Yeah, no trades for now. No trades. Well, yeah, we should be dipping down, bro.